Good evening, viewers. Welcome to Tenimax. I am moving through exercise 5.2, question number 4. Given 4 subdivision, sorry my dear, question number 5. Given 4 subdivision, one by one we can discuss. So, subdivision 1, first subdivision 1 solution. The question, identify the conic. Already we know ellipse means positive sign, center positive sign means that is called the ellipse. So, what is the main equation of general equation ellipse? X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. கண்டிப்பாக இது எலிப்ஸ்னு சொல்லலாம். அப்போது ஐடென்டிஃபை தி கோனிக். திஸ் இஸ் வாட் தி டைப்? It is ellipse. Okay, it is ellipse, the first point. Then second one, and find center, foci, vertices. Before moving to find out each and every time, definitely first you have to find out what is the meaning. Equation of general equation ellipse, x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Actually, which one is bigger number in denominator? x square ஓட term தான் denominatorல bigger number. அப்போ கண்டிப்பாக என்ன சொல்லலாம்? Major axis along with x axis. Okay, major axis along with x axis. So definitely அப்போ இதை a square கன்சிடர் பண்ணலாம். இது கூட equate பண்ணும்போது அப்போ therefore a square is equal to 25. அப்போ therefore a is equal to 5. Then b square is equal to 9. Therefore b is equal to 3 ன்னு கிடைக்கும். இது கண்டுபிடிச்சதுக்கு நிச்சயமாக நமக்கு ஏயோட டைம், ஏ மீன்ஸ் சின்னு சொல்லுவோம், ஃபோக்கை. அதாவது ஏஇ மீன்ஸ் ஏ இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு வாட் இஸ் த வேல்யூ 5. தென் இசென்ட்ரிசிட்டி, isn't it? ஸோ ஏஇ கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னா ஃபஸ்ட்டு நமக்கு வாட் பி நீட் இசென்ட்ரிசிட்டி கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். அப்போ இசென்ட்ரிசிட்டி இ இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு ஸ்கொயர் ரூட் ஆஃப் 1 minus b square by a square. Therefore e is equal to 1 minus b square is equal to 9. 9 by 25. Therefore e is equal to square root of 1 into 25. 25 minus 9 divided by 25 is equal to 25 minus 9 means 16 divided by 25. Therefore e is equal to 4 by 5. So e கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. Then what we need? Foci and direct trace. So condition padi a is equal to what is answer? A is equal to a value already we know 5 into e value 4 by 5. 5 cancel means a is equal to 4. Then a by e, a is equal to what is answer? 5 divided by e is equal to 4 by 5. Therefore reciprocal பண்ணும்போ 5 into 5 divided by 4. Therefore answer we have 25 by 4. That is a by e. இப்போ 1 by 1 நம்ம equate பண்ணுறோம். கண்டிப்பாக find center, foci, vertices and direct rays. ஃபஸ்ட்டு சென்டர் எழுதுவோம். சென்டர் கண்டிப்பாக இதில் 0,0 தான் வரும். அதாவது so basic general term x square by a square. Some cases x minus h the whole square divided by some value as well as y minus k the whole square divided by some value means center will be according to the number only will come. So h comma k what the value is given, that value is considered for center. But here directly they have given x square by form, x square by some number as well as y square only number is there. So center we can write is 0,0, first one. Then second condition, foci. Foci means definitely major axis along with x axis means கண்டிப்பாக x depend பண்ணி வரும், plus or minus a comma 0. Therefore plus or minus a is equal to 4. So 4 comma 0. The next condition, vertices. Again same condition, plus or minus a comma 0. Therefore a is equal to 5. 5 comma 0. Then last one, direct trace. x depend பண்ணி வரதுனால x is equal to plus or minus a by e. Therefore x is equal to plus or minus a by e. இப்போ தான் கண்டுபிடிச்சோம் 25 by 4. This is answer for subdivision 1. Okay, moving to subdivision 2. Subdivision 2 solution. Question, It is an ellipse. Identify the conic means simple சொல்லலாம். It is an ellipse. Okay, first one. But condition actually, look at there. Greater than value in denominator y square. So, அப்போ கண்டிப்பாக என்ன வரும்? Major axis along with y axis. So, major axis along with y axis. So, y axis means definitely எப்படி எழுதுவோம் equation வந்துட்டு y square by a square plus x square by b square is equal to 1. அப்போ y square கீழே வரக்கூடியதான் a square. Therefore, a square is equal to 10. அப்போ therefore, a is equal to root 10. The next one, b square is equal to 3. Therefore, b is equal to root 3. Then we need eccentricity, isn't it? Eccentricity. So, e is equal to square root of 1 minus b square by a square. Therefore, e is equal to 1 minus b square means 3 by a square means 10. Therefore, e is equal to 1 into 10, 10 minus 3 by 10. So, 10 minus 3 is equal to 7 by 10. கண்டிப்பாக இதை பிரிக்க முடியாது. இப்போ டேரெக்டாக e is equal to root 7 by root 10. Then we need ae. So, a is equal to what is the value? Root 10. Root 10 into e value root 7 by root 10. So, root 10 cancel. Therefore, ae is equal to root 7. Then we need a by e. So, a by e is equal to a value root 10 divided by e value eccentricity root 7 by root 10, isn't it? So, root 7 by root 10. Therefore, a by e is equal to reciprocal பண்ணும்போ root 10 into root 10 divided by root 7. Therefore, a by e is equal to root 10 into root 10 means 10 by root 7. So, now we are moving one by one. Center, foci, vertices and direct rays. Okay. So, center கண்டிப்பாக நமக்கு எது தேவை? ஏன்னு சொல்லக்கூடிய வேல்யூ தேவை. அப்போ a square is equal to 10. அப்போ therefore a is equal to root 10, isn't it? So, center means already I told you, center they have given basic form. Therefore, we can write it directly. Center means 0, 0. Next one, foci, isn't it? So, its major axis along with y axis. So, 0, plus or minus foci means ae. Again 0, plus or minus ae means root 7. Then vertices. Vertices means 0, plus or minus a. Therefore, 0, plus or minus a is equal to root 10. Then direct rays, isn't it? Direct rays along with y axis. Therefore, y is equal to plus or minus a by e. Y equal to plus or minus a by e is equal to 10 by root 7. This is answer for subdivision 2. Subdivision 3rd. So, first one, identify the type. What is the type? Definitely center minus. We can say it is an hyperbola. It is a hyperbola. Now, what we look at there, it is an hyperbola means, so denominator, which one is bigger value? But here, no need to consider for the bigger value. Which value in positive side? X oda value தான் positive side. Therefore, we can write it transverse axis along with x axis னு எழுதுவோம். எலிப்ஸில் எக்ஸ் ஸ்கொயருக்கு கீழே, அதாவது டினாமினேட்டரில் எது பெரிய வேல்யூ இருக்கோ அதான் ஏ ஸ்கொயர்னு கன்சிடர் பண்ணோம் எலிப்ஸில். பட் ஹியர் எது வந்துட்டு பாசிட்டிவ் சைடில் இருக்கோ அதைத்தான் நம்ம என்ன எழுதுவோம்? ட்ரான்ஸ்வர்ஸ் ஆக்சிஸ் அலாங் வித் எக்ஸ் ஆக்சிஸ். இப்போ இங்கே பாசிட்டிவ் சைடில் எக்ஸ் ஆக்சிஸ் இருக்கிறதுனால அது எப்படி எழுதுவோம்? ட்ரான்ஸ்வர்ஸ் ஆக்சிஸ் along with x axis positive side இருக்குனா. Now look at there one by one. அப்போ a square னு சொல்லக்கூடியது consider for a square is equal to 25. அப்போ therefore a is equal to 5. Then b square is equal to 144. So b is equal to 12. Now eccentricity ellipseல minus நோரு, இங்கே என்ன வரும்? plus நோரு. 1 plus b square by a square. So, a is equal to 1 plus b square value 144, isn't it? So, 144 divided by 25. Again E is equal to 1 into 25, 25 plus 144 divided by 25. Again E is equal to 144 plus 25, 169 divided by 25. Therefore E is equal to 13 divided by 5 ன்னு வரும். That is called eccentricity. அப்போ E கண்டுபிடிச்சதுக்கப்புறம் AE is equal to 5. 5 into 13 by 5. 5 5 cancel. Therefore AE is equal to 13. Next condition, direct trace A by E. So A is equal to 5. E is equal to 13 by 5, isn't it? Right, again reciprocal means 5 into 5, 25 divided by 13. Now we have to write it one by one. Center already I told you the basic general term தான் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அப்போ கண்டிப்பாக என்ன வரும் 0,0. Next one foci. It's along with x axis, no? Plus or minus AE, 0. AE 13, 0. Then vertices plus or minus A by E, 0. So A by E 25 by 13. Last one direct trace. So x depend பண்ணி வரதுனால along with x axis. Therefore x is equal to plus or minus A by E. So x is equal to plus or minus A by E means 25 by 13. That's all. I am moving to subdivision 4. Solution for subdivision 4. Question, y square by 16 minus x square by 9 is equal to 1. What is the type? Center minus. Therefore it is an hyperbola. It is an hyperbola. So it is an hyperbola means transverse axis along with y axis. Look at their positive side y. இப்போ y axisனா எடுப்போம், பாசிட்டிவ் தான் எடுப்போம் y axis. அப்போ எது பாசிட்டிவ் சைடு இருக்கோ அதான் a square. அப்போ a square is equal to 16. Therefore a is equal to 4. Then b square is equal to 9. So b is equal to 3. Now eccentricity E is equal to 1 plus b square by a square. So 1 plus b square means 9. 9 by a square means 16. 1 into 16 means 16 plus 9 divided by 16. Therefore, E is equal to 16 plus 9 is equal to 25 by 16. So, E is equal to 5 by 4. Therefore, AE, A value 4. 4 into 5 by 4. 4 cancel. Therefore, AE is equal to 5. The last one, direct trace. We can say A by E. A is equal to 4. E is equal to 5 by 4, isn't it? Again, reciprocal means 4 into 4 means 16 divided by 5. Condition, first center. Center means 0, 0. Next one, foci. Actually, this is y axis. So, y axis means 0, plus or minus AE. Again 0, plus or minus AE is equal to 5. Then vertices 0, plus or minus A. So 0, plus or minus A is equal to 4. Next one, direct trace. Direct trace y axis, no? Y is equal to plus or minus A by E. Therefore y is equal to plus or minus A by E means 16 by 5. This is answer for subdivision 4. Okay, so please listen, my dear students. If you have any doubt, please put in comment box. I am ready to clarify your doubts. And one more point, if you need more information, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell button. Whenever I post a new video, you will receive the notification. Then another one important point, so please give me your valuable feedback. I am ready to rectify my mistake if I did. Okay, thanks to viewers. We will continue our next video. Bye bye.